Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the closed eye mesh and required textures in the Berry Avenue project. Open the Assets folder and identify the exact file names. Once done, export the source mesh as OBJ or FBX while keeping scale and pivot consistent. This preserves alignment. Make a backup copy of the original model and textures before editing, so you can revert if needed. This early action saves time and prevents corrupting the scene as you proceed. Once imported into your 3D editor, set units to match Berry Avenue and immediately check normals. Flipped faces break rendering. Then clean the mesh by removing non-manifold vertices and small isolated faces, and weld seems to create continuous topology. Next, retopologize or simplify dense areas to match in-game budgets, and recreate or assign vertex groups and skin weights for the eyelid rig. Make a quick deformation test to confirm closed eye pose holds at 0 and full influence. Now bake normals and any blend shape/morph maps at the project resolution, and export the mesh as FBX with the correct axis and scale settings to match Berry Avenue. Replace the asset in the project, reload the scene, and validate LODs and animation blends. If the closed eye mesh looks wrong, check common culprits: inverted normals, wrong export axis, mismatched skin weights, or overlapping UVs. Fix those, re-export, and test again until the pose and shading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.